Hello. I haven't told you before, but I'm from Ukraine. In this video, I want to show you how Ukraine looks like through the eyes of artificial intelligence. Please watch this video till the end. I promise you will enjoy it. Glory to Ukraine. Glory to heroes. Generated more pictures on this request. Kiev is the capital of the Ukraine. Nature in Ukraine is simply beautiful at any time of the year. And here is how artificial intelligence sees the war in Ukraine. We have a lot of girls fighting now. This is how artificial intelligence sees them. If you visit Ukraine, you will see for yourself that Ukrainian girls are the most beautiful in the world. Even artificial intelligence knows about it. The Dnipro is the most famous and the largest river in Ukraine. The Carpathians are majestic mountains. If you are in Ukraine, you must visit them. And this is Crimea, an amazing peninsula that will soon return back to our country. And this is the beach in Crimea, almost the same as in reality. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want, I will make a sequel for you. Write about it in the comments and tell me what exactly you like the most in Ukraine.